Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Shay. This is brought to you by Chowtyme Creations, and today we will be making my version of a cucumber salad. Alright, so starting off, the ingredients I'm going to be using today is cucumber, Olive Garden's signature Italian dressing, Hidden Valley ranch dressing, some Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, crushed red pepper, and some Creole seasoning. We are going to start with cutting our cucumbers. You can cut them any way you would like. I personally prefer the half moon shape because then they're not too big and not too small. I do know some people like to do them quartered or even smaller bites than that, but whichever you prefer is fine. Now that I'm finished cutting the cucumbers, I want to put everything in a bowl and begin to dress it. I'm going to start with a little Creole seasoning. I love the kick of spice it gives, and it's not a whole lot. It's just enough. The red pepper flakes are going to be optional, but it still provides a little kick along with the Creole seasoning. If you would like, you can do this one last after you have everything mixed there to make sure it won't be too much. I personally love using fresh ground or crushed pepper because it tastes so much better than pre-crushed pepper. Plus, it has a lot of health benefits. Himalayan pink salt has a great flavor over regular salt, but you can use whichever you prefer. I'm going to use a little Italian dressing, but feel free to use any type of vinaigrette-based dressing to your liking. I'm also going to add in some ranch since that's my favorite and I like to use it on all of my salads. Now that I'm done putting everything on, I'm going to mix everything together and make sure that the cucumbers are fully covered. If you want, at this point, you could transfer it to a flat bowl or like a Tupperware and cover it and marinate it in the fridge for a few minutes to make sure everything gets infused together. But I'm hungry, so I'm just going to eat it right now. Time to enjoy.